Good evening, everyone. Pat here with Advanced RV Centers in Okeechobee, Florida. Got a nice unit here to show you. It's a 2021 Newmar Kountry model 3709 with only 11,000 miles, guys. It's absolutely stunning. There's not a scratch, a nick, or a chip anywhere on this machine. Still smells new inside. Everything is 100% ready to go. Just needs a new owner. Sitting on a Freightliner chassis. We've got it all set up here for you with the slides out. The jacks are down. I'm gonna take you around and show you a little bit about it. All our bays nice and clean, no rust anywhere, no leaks. It was always stored indoors. Nice raised rail chassis with pass-through storage. And just look at the shine in that paint, like a mirror. Great big Samsung TV there with a Bose soundbar. Carefree automatic awning. Water tanks behind that. You got a pegboard there. Very nice full body paint scheme. My favorite colors, gray and black. Gotta make somebody a nice machine. It's got the Cummins 360. Runs and drives excellent. Just took it down the road here the other day. The smart wheel that Newmar has is so nice to drive, very effortlessly. Go down the road. Have your 50 amp power cord there and your transfer switch. There's your def tank. Nice big slide here on the driver's side. This is going to be your wet bay. All these doors open and close nicely. The other side of your storage there. That's another storage from the other side. It's got 6 house batteries. Propane tank there. Coach needs a new owner. Side view cameras, rear view cameras, of course, all standard stuff. Great big windshield with no chips or cracks. Let's take you inside. Like about Newmar, they put a great big wide entry in their coaches. Got automatic leveling, navigation, Bluetooth. I believe this here is a wireless charger. All our overhead cabinets. This is where a lot of your functions are controlled. This here, you'll check your tank levels, your ACs, your voltages, awnings. We go over that in more detail. It is missing the couch. Previous owners had replaced the couch for 2 recliners, and they felt the need to keep their recliners. Anyways, we didn't put anything in here. So we figured the next owners are either going to want a sofa sleeper or 2 recliners again. Figured we'd leave it empty and leave it up to the next owners whether they're going to want a couch or 2 chairs. 3-burner cooktop. Televator that drops down into that counter space. Nice little fireplace there. Real nice flooring here. Your dinette table comes out and there's a leaf that goes in there. There's going to be 2 additional chairs for that. Gray is my favorite color, so I would go with some sort of gray couch to match these chairs and the trim work. This is a 1.5 bath unit. This here is your half bath. Nice Whirlpool residential fridge. There's your king bed. Very nice. Across from that, you got his and her closets. Plenty of storage down below. There's your rear master bath. Emergency exit in here, by the way. Stackable washer dryer. Nice tall shower with a skylight. Really wide passage here into the master bedroom. Really creates a bigger space. It is a 37-foot coach, 1.5 baths. Very nice layout. Gotta make somebody a nice machine. I want to thank you for watching, and please feel free to call with any questions. Again, my name's Pat with Advanced RV Centers. 561-719-9774. We'll talk to you soon.